For handling light microscope, we must 1. Carry the microscope properly, 2. Always begin focusing with 4x or 8x objective lens by using coarse, 3. Use the coarse knob to focus and then the fine adjustment knob to make the image crystal clear, 4. Use 1 drop, immersion, oil, only with 100x objective lens, 5. After finishing lower the stage and remove the slide, then clean the microscope with lens paper tissue. Be sure the stage is at its lowest position before putting the microscope away, 6. Turn off the light before putting the microscope away, 7. Wrap the cord correctly before putting the microscope away, and 8. Return the microscope to the correct cabinet. As exhibited in the next 2 slides.